Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw something super sweet, super relaxing, and totally satisfying. A beautiful ice cream made with mandala patterns using only a black pen. No colors, no melting, and zero calories. Just peaceful patterns, creative vibes, and a little sprinkle of happiness. But wait, this is not just an ice cream. It has a sweet little story hidden inside its beautiful designs. So grab your black pen, relax your mind, and let's turn simple lines into a delicious masterpiece. Let's begin. And here we have short, heart-touching story for you while we draw. Okay, guys? There was once a little ice cream who felt sad because it had no colors like others. It thought, how can anyone like me when I'm just simple? But one day a child picked it and smiled. The child said, you are special because your beauty isn't your details. The ice cream realized something beautiful. It did not need many colors to be loved. Its unique patterns made it special. And just like this ice cream, our simple black lines can create something meaningful and beautiful. Sometimes simplicity holds the sweetest magic ever. And guys, wow, our beautiful mandala ice cream is ready. Who knew a simple black pen could create something so sweet and magical? If this drawing melted your heart but not your paper, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more relaxing art videos. Keep drawing, keep smiling and remember, simple things can bring the greatest happiness. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling, keep trying. Okay, guys, and love yourself. Bye bye. Bye bye.